Yes, so Nigerian people, make we dey happy, make we dey clap for ourselves because of the reason why God don't do us better. He don't give us better producer, promoter, marketer. We go dey do our work, and you wey dey waka before they look for better music, better film to buy. See and now, e don near you well oh. Bright O Audio and Video Center for 231 Murtala Mohammed Way, where you sit down, they carry eye look Saple Road Motor Park for 3rd Junction for Benin City. Now, which kind of music you want? Now, Edo music, English music, Yoruba music, Igbo music, Hausa music, Christian religious music, na rap, na reggae, na blues, na hip hop, all kind of music is there for Bright O Audio and Video Center. What of you where they buy film where? Now, Western movie you want? Na Nollywood movie now you want? Oyibo own, Ghana own, Benin own, Igbo own, Hausa own, any kind of movie at all, whether na action, horror, even wrestling and boxing, all of them dey. And you will be artist, you don't get better music, abi you get better film, better producer or promoter wey go help you market am. You see now, say your waka don end for the reason of the because why the producer promoter wey God the bring come rescue upcoming artists. He don come Bright O Audio and Video Center, 231 Murtala Mohammed Way, opposite Saple Road Motor Park by 3rd Junction for Benin City. So therefore, now, you wey dey buy plenty boku, abi you wey dey buy one by one retail, make you waka come Bright O Audio and Video Center, 231 Murtala Mohammed Way, opposite Saple Road Motor Park by 3rd Junction for Benin City.